Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can write a post on Instagram without a picture. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first process that you need to follow is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you can see that I am on my Instagram. Then you need to click on your story and then you need to take a picture. Okay. Once you take a picture, you can simply write any text here. So I'm going to write how to solutions. This is a sample text. Okay, so once I written, okay, then I need to click on next and click on share as my story. So let me share, click on done. Okay, so let me select your story. So now it is posting, and here you can see the option of save post, save photo, send to, share as post. Click on that option, and now you have the option to share it as a post. Click on next. You can add any filter and share it as a post. So this is a process by which you can share post on Instagram without a picture. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.